Okay, so we're moving on to the development of the box. First thing I need to figure out is how many parts are in the box. I've got a front and a back, so that's 1 and 2. I've got a base, is 3, and then I've got 2 slanted sides, is 4 and 5. So I've got 5 parts to draw in on this. 2 of them are going to be equilateral triangles, front and back, and then the base and the 2 slanted portions are going to be rectangles. So I have to assemble all those together. I'm going to start off by drawing the back of the box, which is an equilateral triangle. So I'm just going to take a construction line out here that's in line with the X and Y line. And I'm going to come over on the page and I'm going to set out the equilateral triangle that's going to form the back of the box. 90mm measurement. And again, I come and draw my equilateral triangle. I prefer to draw it with the 60-degree set square. So 60 degrees and 60 degrees. So that is the back of the box drawn in. I'm going to put the base onto it. The base, we said, is going to be a rectangle, and it's going to be stuck on here. And the base is going to be 90mm wide, because the base of the elevation here is 90mm wide. And from back to front on the base is going to be 25. We put in a measurement here of 25. So 90 by 25 is the rectangle I need. I've already got the 90 measured out, and I'm going to come off with 2 construction lines. $25mm is the distance. So down 10, 25. And I can draw in the base of it. And that's done. And I label that straight away. I've got the 2 slanted sides to put on. One over here and one over here. And this is a little bit tricky. I need to use my set square. I have a 60-degree angle coming up here. To make a corner that is square, I'm just going to sketch them in roughly. They need to come out something like that. So to get a 90-degree corner, I still use the set square, but use the 30-degree angle. So in other words, here's my 60-degree line that I drew. If I just slide the set square along the T-square over to here, I can draw out a construction line out there and one on top. Same thing, I measure out 25. So from my 25 out. And again, using my 60-degree angle, I slide the set square across. And that will give me one of the sides. I need another rectangle coming out here. It's the exact same process, but I have to rotate the set square. Originally, when I drew my side, I turned the set square to put it standing up. And that will let me draw the 60-degree angle. Now I need to get an angle coming out here, 30 degrees in this direction. And to get that, I simply flip the set square again and drop it onto the T-square. Then I can come along, slide out, and draw a line from the top and the bottom corner. So those are construction lines, drawing them in light. I don't actually have to take a measurement on the T-square. We've already got the measurement of 25 here. We drew it in plan. So I can just take my compass, which is actually quicker. Here's my measurement of 25, and I can tick off the same measurement on both lines. And again, I come back with my 60-degree set square and put it standing up. Slide it on the T-square, and that lets me draw in the side. So this is the accurate way to do it, to get my lines exactly correct. And again, I have another side. The front is the last part to draw, and I've got loads of options. I can put the front, stick it on here, I can stick the front down here, or I can stick the front over there. It doesn't really matter. You can do whichever you want. The more space I have on the sheet is here, so I'll put it in there. The easiest way to draw the front, it's very complicated because we've got all these angles over here. So the handiest thing I can do is I just take my measurement from my elevation. I know it's 90 millimeters, and I know the other side is going to be 90 millimeters, and I know the base is 90 millimeters because it's an equilateral triangle. So the three sides are the same length. I can draw the exact same over here using the compass. I already have one of the sides. Here it is. This is 90 millimeters long. We can check it to see. And there it is. It's 90. So to draw on the equilateral triangle, take my corner, strike out an arc. Come down to the other corner and strike out an arc. And then I can come along and draw it in. And that is the front. And that is our surface development complete. You can cut that out with a scissors, fold it up, and see will it go together.